Imagine this. You go deep into the ocean, just 10 meters, nothing happens. At 50 meters, you start to feel pressure. At 100 meters, your body starts struggling. Now imagine going 1,000 meters down. Pitch black. Freezing cold. And the pressure? It's like 50 airplanes sitting on your body at once. A human would be crushed instantly. But somehow, fish are living there, calmly, like it's normal. So the question is, how do they survive something that would instantly kill us? Part 1, what is pressure? Let's break this down simply. Pressure in the ocean comes from the weight of water above you. The deeper you go, the more water is on top, the higher the pressure. At the surface, normal pressure. At 1,000 meters, about 100 times more pressure. At the deepest parts, over 1,000 times more. Now here's the important part. Humans are not built for this. Our bodies have air spaces like lungs. Under extreme pressure, that air gets squeezed, and that's what causes damage. So logically, nothing should survive down there. But life always finds a way. Part 2, no air equals no problem. Here's the first big secret. Deep-sea fish don't have the same kind of air-filled bodies like we do. Many of them either have very reduced air spaces. Or completely lack swim bladders, the organ that controls floating. Why does this matter? Because air is compressible. Water is not. So when pressure increases, air gets crushed. But water-based tissues stay stable. That means their bodies don't collapse like ours would. It's like the difference between a balloon gets crushed easily. A solid rubber ball stays strong. Deep-sea fish are built more like that rubber ball. DNA Part 3, their bodies are built different. Now it gets even more interesting. Their entire bodies are adapted for pressure. First, their bodies are often soft, flexible, gel-like. Not rigid like many surface fish. Why? Because a flexible body can handle pressure better. Second, their cells contain special chemicals. These chemicals protect proteins inside their bodies. Under high pressure, normal proteins would lose shape and stop working. But deep-sea fish have molecules that stabilize everything. Think of it like armor, but at a microscopic level. Without this, they couldn't survive. Part 4, life in total darkness. Pressure is not the only challenge. There's also no sunlight. Extremely cold temperatures. Very little food. So these fish evolved in extreme ways. Some grow huge mouths to catch anything they can. Some produce their own light, called bioluminescence. Others move very slowly to save energy. Everything about them is designed for survival, not comfort. And that's why they look so strange, even scary. But for them, this is normal life. Part 5, what if humans went there? Let's be real. If a human suddenly went that deep, it would be instant disaster. Your lungs would collapse. Your body would be crushed. You wouldn't even have time to react. Even submarines struggle at those depths. That's how extreme the environment is. And yet, these fish are just swimming around, like nothing is wrong. That contrast is what makes the deep sea so fascinating. Part 6, the real truth. So what's the real reason they survive? It's not one thing. It's a combination of no air spaces, flexible bodies, special chemicals, slow metabolism. They didn't adapt overnight. This took millions of years of evolution. Each small change helped them survive a little better. Until finally, they became perfectly built for one of the harshest places on Earth. Utero. So next time you think about the ocean, remember this. The surface is just a tiny part of it. Below that, there's a completely different world. A world where pressure can crush you instantly. But for some creatures, it's just another normal day. And the craziest part? We've explored less than 10% of it. Which means there are still things down there we haven't even discovered yet. End screen line. If you found this interesting, wait till you see what lives even deeper.